Hello everyone, this is Adrian Malix with Real Broker. Welcome to our beautiful newest home on the market. It's in Hollywood, Florida, and very close to the beach, so it's a fabulous little property. Come on in, let me show you around. It's actually a 3-bedroom, 3-bath house, and come on in. We don't bite. Anyway, so it's a very nice house. I love that we have the high ceilings. It's a split floor plan, so we have a suite here with its own bathroom. We have a suite over here with its own bathroom, and we have a third bathroom here. And what I love about the house, we have a nice, huge garden as well. So come on in, let me show you around a little bit more. It's a beautiful living room area, very spacious. As you walk in, we have a skylight, which I love personally. So if you are into these kind of houses with the high ceiling and the skylight, this is the house for you. We have on this side the kitchen, which the owner beautifully renovated a couple years ago. So we have granite countertops. We have a very nice sleek design with the white shaker cabinets, very open, very beautiful. We have the stainless steel appliances. We have actually the windows and the doors are hurricane impact windows. And then also on this side, let me go around a little bit. The owner decided that he wanted an addition, and it's a beautiful 3rd bedroom, or actually he's using it for his playroom. Anyway, so any questions? We will have an open house. We are also on the market right now, a couple days now. And what is really good, that because it's new on the market, you have still a sneak peek. You can come visit us. Any questions, you can send me a Facebook message, WhatsApp message, and then we'll see where we can meet with the price, with the terms, anything. You let me know. It's actually also a very good Airbnb property. So if you have clients or you are looking for yourself for an Airbnb, this is the perfect house. Again, because of the split floor plan and because of the 3-bathroom. So any questions, let me know. This is Adrian with Real Broker, and my number is 305-491-6714. Thank you, and see you at the next house.